Hello and good afternoon. Today we will solve a problem related to pulse with modulation. Here is my information. I'm Hussein Muhammad Sakhawat. My Chinese name is Sohan and this is my student number. And our problem basically is like a pulse with modulation motor control interface. So I already drawn a circuit in Proteus software, and this circuit is before run the program, and this one is when we run the program. So I will explain everything step by step. Before let's get introduced with the main part of this circuit. So here this is a 8051 microcontroller, the brain of this circuit, and this one is modulator, and here we have some switch 1 2 3. We made it in different name, and this is stop switch, and here is the reset button, and this one is a motor. So basically this problem is to control this motor using those switch slow, medium and high speed, and this one is stop, and everything will be controlled by this 8051 microcontroller. And this is the code. Here you can see. So let's describe the code a little bit at first. So here pulse with modulation pin P00 and a slow switch. That switch we connect it port 0.4, and medium one is 0.5 and the high one is 0.6, and the stop button we set in 0.7 port of the 8051. And then we made a void INIT pause with modulation timer. So here the timer we made it at first in 0 and then third A. So here the main part is we made a for loop here. While loop, sorry, we made a while loop here. So if we press in 0, that means pulse with modulation we made it 10 to 102. This is the speed, is a direction of the speed, 102. And if A is not 0, and then what is, maybe it was pulse with modulation 153. So this number and this number, you can see here, this number is bigger than this number. So that means if we tap in how to show, okay, let me show, tap in here in this button, that means it will move around in this speed 153. And else this condition is not fulfilled, then maybe this condition will fulfilled is 255. It's just a number of the speed acceleration, not acceleration, in just is speed. And then else and A equals 0, no one pressed that kind of slow, medium and high key. Maybe they tap the stop key, so that time is 0, so no motion here, right? And then we made some condition here, and this is the main part of the code. And let's jump into the Proteus software to get a clear vision. So here is this one is our 8051 microcontroller, and this one is our modulator, and this one is our motor. And as I showed before, slow button, medium button, high button and stop button, and here we have a reset button. So basically when we will press this key, the motor will be moved in a certain number of speed, and this number is which one, this number is 10102. And if you press a medium key, this key, that means it will move in 153 speed. It's just a number of speed. So before that, I need to mention here that we used C program. So you need to insert your C program file in hex file. So here how we can put the hex file here. I already saved the file. Is here. Okay, this is our hex file, so you can open it and then okay. So now let's run the circuit. So now you can see this motor is not moving because we didn't press the key. Now let's press this key. Let's make it a little. Okay, now you can see. No, okay, now you can see. Let's press this key. Now you see it's moving. Now it's moving in a certain speed, and if you press this key, it will move a little bit faster. You can see here, and if you press this key, it will move a little bit faster than before, as you can see. And if you press the stop key, and it will stop. So this is the main part of this circuit, to control a motor using 2 3 4 5 kind of keys, using a microcontroller. So this is the main part of this problem. Thank you too.